Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Optima tail light full guide. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Remove trunk liner fasteners to access the tail light screws and keep track of hardware in a small container. Use steady pressure when pulling the assembly and watch for hidden clips. Inspect bulb sockets and seals while the assembly is out to plan any repairs or replacements. Gather simple tools and keep things organized for an efficient tail light removal. You will need a T20 bit, flat screwdriver, socket wrench, and a trim tool. Wear gloves to protect hands and safety glasses for eye protection. Work in daylight or use a bright work lamp to see fasteners clearly. Keep a towel to protect paint and place removed parts on a clean surface for efficiency. Open the trunk and remove the trunk liner fasteners to access tail light screws. Unscrew the T20 fasteners and support the assembly with one hand as you pull. Release any plastic clips by prying gently with a trim tool to avoid breaking them. Disconnect the wiring harness by compressing its tab, and then remove the bulb sockets by twisting counterclockwise. Inspect seals and bulbs while the assembly is out to plan repairs or replacements.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.